Alrighty, so we are going to do a tire change. I think it's a Infinity. I'm not sure what kind of vehicle it is, but we are 3 minutes away. Tire change. It's Hartford, Connecticut. After here, I gotta go home. I gotta eat because I'm hungry. Then I gotta go do some front rotors and pads of a Honda Accord 2000. Okay, where's these people at? 2 minutes away. Put something on music, off radio, whatever. Probably they're going to be. I can't put that because if not, I think you. Oh, what the hell was that? Something fell in the back. Anyways, let's see how this work goes. So I think this is gonna be the first job that I'm actually gonna go and do. Earlier I filmed a jump start of a truck. That was horrible. I take like 2 hours to do that because I have to get a few stuff. Okay, I think that's the vehicle, right? Ooh. What's that? Okay, that's the vehicle. I think it's the back tire. Alright, this motherfucker fucking. Okay, here. Oh, okay, I think I know who it is. Dude, I got that. It's a piece of cake. Hey, how you doing? Alright, we need this. This.
When you take that off, just do me a favor. I'm gonna put it in my truck.
What? That
tire?
Yeah.
Tire.
Yeah, that's fine.
Man, God bless you, bro. I mean,
thank you.
Let me tell you. I just felt her brother out of jail when I spent like $2 grand.
Oh.
Like, come on, man. I don't got a lot of money right now. I just trying to help my kids.
Alright, that's fine. That's fine.
I got the cash in my pocket, man.
Alright, thank you, man. I appreciate that. Okay.
How you gonna get home? Did you see that? By the time you get down the street, you're gonna be on the rim.
Alright, I need this.
Whatever, no, because I didn't go far. At least, like, see, he got a screwdriver. See, that's what I was trying to do. He got me. Yeah, he did it so fast because he had a screwdriver. We didn't have none of that.
I do this every day, so I gotta have it, you know? Oh, I think I remember you at the lockout service, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Alright, that looks like it's 21.
This is his business, so I understand. He has a flat rate. Am I
Look.
right, bro?
Yep.
This is your business, and you have a flat rate.
Look, whoever put this tire on before, look, this nut right here is backwards.
Yeah.
That's backwards. That one was loose. That one was loose too.
Then someone will be a problem. But you know what he's doing. Thank you, bro.
You're welcome.
Hey, look. Hey, up, yo. And you talking about driving? I got gloves, bro. I'll put it in there. Go ahead.
Don't worry about it. I got it.
I don't forgive me. I don't like getting my hands dirty either. You want I want to take a picture of that.
And this spare tire for this vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what they use
Why are you
it
taking
for.
a picture?
I want to see the tire.
You're horrible.
No, I ain't.
Who's that, your dad?
Yes.
I'm not the easiest person to get along with, but I'm the realest person to get
Oh yeah, I like that.
You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
People don't like to hear the truth anymore.
Yup.
The truth is the truth, man. Come on, bro. You ain't gotta like me. There's 50 people that hate my ass, but there's 50 people that love me too.
And you know what? I'd rather to hear the truth
That's right.
than you
Somebody
sitting
that
there
something.
and lie
That's
to
right.
me, you know?
That's right. That's right, bro.
Okay. This lug nut, look all the thread there. This lug nut doesn't work.
It don't even belong on the car, it look like.
But look, the thread is right here. Let me see if I got one here that will work. Okay, not this one. You got strip lug nuts here. Look, here's another one. Alright. Let me see if this works. Okay. I'll give you this one.
That stuff costs you. I got $1.25 here, bro. Alright, I'll give you everything I got. Alright, just make sure she's straight. That's all I
Yeah, she will be fine. Once you fix that other tire,
Right, put it on, right?
whoever fix this, make sure they take a look of this lug nut.
The lug nuts,
Yeah.
right? And just, she should replace them all, right?
Yup. At least in this side. I don't know the condition of the other one.
Right, right. No, I understand.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you this one. And trying to change this as soon as possible.
Right, because it's temporary use. No,
They
I got her.
they wear out quick.
Right.
That one. This one's strip.
You gotta be careful.
Yeah, I don't think these lug nuts are not even from this vehicle, yeah.
I'll give you everything I got, man.
I don't think I have another of those. Oh, it's your lucky day. Oh, and this one doesn't work in here. The thread is different. Oh, yep. You will be fine with those four. Yep. These one are different.
got my fingers crossed, bro.
But you will be fine. You'll be fine.
I just want one to fit for her, you know? That's all. If she's nervous, she can drive my truck and I can drive.
Yeah. Don't take the highway. Where are you going?
I'm in Hartford.
Oh, you're in Hartford?
I'm in Hartford.
Oh, you good? Yeah.
Yeah, we can jump on and jump off.
Yeah.
You know, she's gonna have to get on the highway. I'm sorry, she's gonna have to get on the highway to some degree.
Yeah, you should be fine. Just trying to.
Just keep your speed down.
Yeah.
These are not built for speed.
Yep. Don't go over 50 miles. You will be fine. Okay.
Well, let me tell you, here, it's $1.25 here, man. Count that.
All right.
I want you to count it right in front of you. It's $1.25. I gave you what I had, man.
Yeah, that's fine. If we'll do 120.
You sure? You gonna give me my $5 back?
Yeah, I'll give it to you. You know, you seem like a good man, you know.
I am. I'm a great man.
I like you.
I'm a confident ass.
I like your attitude. Yeah. That's what I like.
Most people don't like my approach, but I'm one of the realest mother effers you will ever meet, bro.
Yeah.
Me, bro. I can give you my number. We can chop it up. Outside of here, go out for a pizza or something.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
I love good people. No,
Look.
seriously, I'm Earl, man.
Nice to meet you,
What's your name?
Josue.
Okay.
Josue, yeah.
Hold on to those.
Let me give you my business card.
Yeah, definitely. Nah, I appreciate it.
I got new style, but I don't know.
Give me a couple of them. Give me a couple of them.
This is my old style business card.
I got you.
But yeah, you call me anytime, 24 hours.
Yeah, this is your business. I definitely look you up. I'm gonna
Yeah.
keep these. I'm gonna give a couple to my friends too.
Sure. All right. Take this.
I'm a look. Yeah.
This.
I gotta. Yeah, I had just changed out my tires the other day because my front driver's side. Yeah, let me. Yeah.
Okay.
No, I didn't remember.
Yeah. Make sure whenever they go, trying to check all the tires just
yeah.
in case.
Have them check
Yeah,
the tires.
yeah.
I know, I live down
Yeah,
the
it's
street
very
from
dangerous to
Reliable.
drive like that if their lock nuts are not tight right.
Right.
You can be driving, especially if it's at the front, one of those tires
Right.
go away, you lose control.
Right.
So, yeah.
Now, what's crazy? I live down the street from Reliable Tire in Hartford, Maple Avenue.
There's this place is good. Kawas Tire. I think it's in New
Tire
Britain.
Plus?
Kawas Tire, New Britain Avenue. I
Okay,
think
yeah. I know what you're talking about, right there too.
Those guys are good. They sell
They're
good
good too?
used tire. Yeah.
I went to Downstairs Tire, but I gotta stay away from them because they're crappy, man.
Yeah. Sometimes they don't know what they're doing.
Right.
They got these rookies there doing the job, stripping lock nuts and shit like that.
They messed up something on my wife's car, and I'm not happy with them.
Yeah. And then they tell you there's nothing we can do about it.
Right. That's what it is.
Yeah, like, yo, you fuck it up. Like, what the fuck?
Right. No, that's crazy, man.
I got it, man. Thank you, I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm just trying to help you.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Yeah, let me get that. Alright, man. You know,
I appreciate
if you got any problem or something,
Jose, yeah.
give me a call, right?
I definitely will.
All right.
Stay safe out here, bro.
All right, you too, man. Mission accomplished. Whew, all right, let's go home. I have something to eat because I'm starving.